Alright guys, here's the key. It's off. It's the starter. Nothing. Gauge is off. Accessories. Gauges are on. Wants to turn over. No spark. And then we need to put it to ignition. Everything's off. And the key comes out.